This is a video showing the problems I'm having installing a Creality touchscreen onto a first generation Ender 3. It doesn't flash the dwin_set firmware correctly. I have an SD card with the firmware in it loaded onto the display now, and I'm going to turn the power on. As you can see, it starts to load the firmware. And at a certain point, it will crash. Any second now. I've tried several SD cards there. I get that, and it will sit like that until I turn the power off. I'm going to turn the power off now. And I'm going to remove the SD card. See if I can get to it. Man, it's not cooperating. Remove the SD card. Turn the power back on. I get the title screen. And in a moment, I'll get an error message on the screen. Now I've tried reloading the stock Creality dwin_set firmware in it. There, I get that error message. I try reloading the stock Creality firmware, and I get the same thing. I get the Creality. It gets scrambled, and nothing else happens. So I can try to get into the menu screen. It'll eventually get to a menu screen. Come on. Let's go. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. There. You can see some scrambled text right there. Nothing works except this. It'll get me here, but of course I don't have anything there. But this back button doesn't do anything. So it'll stay on this screen until I turn the power off. And there's my problem. I don't know if it's the screen or what. Like I said, I've tried different SD cards. I get the same results. Tried reloading the Creality, stock Creality display firmware. I get that same scrambled screen partway through the reflash. I think I have a dead screen here.